What's the biggest misconception that people have about the Laundromat franchise?
Well, once again, I think people feel like franchise is going to take over the industry. That's not going to happen in my mind. I think that's the biggest misconception. And I think, our industry, and I'll say this with a lot of respect, we've been a little more conservative and maybe sometimes a little afraid of change in technology and stuff. I mean, you look at how fast technology is moving in a lot of other industries, and we've been kind of slow to adopt some of that. And some of it is, I think, as a store owner, they're fearful of their customers, making sure they have the right products for their customers and making sure that experience is great. So some of them are maybe a little more conservative. Hey, let's wait and see how this works. And, but with franchise, I do think there's going to be a small portion of our industry that is that. I don't think it's going to be a large portion by any means. It's just, to me, like I said, Bob, it's another offering, allows other people within to get in our industry maybe, which, is going to help us grow overall because we're going to attract new investors maybe that are more sophisticated, in some ways, want to embrace technologies in other ways. And then what it's going to do to me is it's going to trickle to a lot of the store owners, and there's going to be a lot of sharing because of all this technology. And hopefully it uplifts the whole industry and we all will grow from it and we get a better experience for the customer and the end user. When I look at those stores, the franchise stores across the country, whether it be ours or other people's, you really look at that offering and it has uplifted the whole industry in my mind. Even independent people, store owners are up in their game, so to say, with the product they're building themselves to have their own brand in certain markets and stuff, which is interesting to see. I think it's exciting for